will walk through the basic functionality of test launchers. Make sure you are on the test runs page. This is the menu button for opening the test runs. And first of all, let's click on test launcher. You can see the launcher wizard. First, let's add the new repository that contains your automation source code. We are pressing add repo button, and you'll be asked to provide a valid credential for your GitHub account. After that, I'm selecting the organization of my user and the demo repository that contains Arena-based automation tests. So now I'm pressing add button and selecting the automation server, and now we're ready to scan our repository or add manual templates. So first of all, let's select the master branch, press scan, and it triggers the scanner that will pick up all the testing XML files and create a launcher templates for every single XML. It may take a few minutes to complete this task. Okay, we are ready to start. Let's press on back to list. You can see multiple launchers were created, both for API tests, mobile tests, and web tests. So let's start some sample web tests. So you can see here the tab area is dedicated to selection of the test automation provider. So let's start with Zebrunner automation infrastructure. And as far as we are running the web test, we are selecting a web option here, and you can choose between different browsers and different browser versions. And this area is dedicated to the parameterization of your automation code. So we can select different branches, environments, and thread count. You can also add some additional parameters by clicking edit button and providing some arguments like that. So we are ready to start. One more time, selecting Zebrunner, web, let's say Chrome, and pressing launch. You can see that new test run is starting right now. That the project is in compilation state, and in a few seconds it will switch to the in progress, and we can track the automation results in real time. So that's it. You can see that now 3 tests are executing, and we'll get the results shortly. So for manual test launcher creation, we are pressing test launcher, edit on the repo, and create a new template. Specify the template name, Karina Web Demo. Let's use the templates from this list, web, remove, for instance, the browser name, and then some additional arguments like arg1 equals to val1. And for argument 2, we are providing different options. Let's say arg2 equals to, and here the array of values 1 and 2 and 3, and press add. You'll see that new launcher template is added. It has a tag manual creation, and you can see that all the arguments, including arg1 and arg2, are available. For arg2, we can select from different values options, and before running the tests, you just select, as usual, the provider, Zebrunner, web, and the options for running your WebDriver. Let's say it's Chrome, or let's say Firefox 68, and launch. And that's it. So let's get back to the test launchers. So you can remove just created test launchers by clicking on the edit button, pressing delete. OK. And finally, let's remove the demo repo by clicking settings, delete repo, and it's completely removed.